Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Blackmagic Cloud to DaVinci Resolve collaboration, full guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Ensure you are logged in to your Blackmagic Cloud account. Navigate to the Project Manager by clicking on the File menu and selecting Project Manager. Click on the New Project button to create a new project. Give your project a name and click Create. Once the project opens, click on the collaboration icon to access collaboration settings. Enable collaboration by toggling the switch to on. You will see an option to invite team members to your project. Enter the email addresses of the team members you wish to invite. Click Send Invitations to notify your collaborators. Your team members will receive an email invitation to join the project. Once they accept the invitation, they will be able to access the project in their DaVinci Resolve. To manage roles and permissions, click on the collaboration icon again. Select each team member and adjust their access level as needed. Now, you can start collaborating on timelines, media, and annotations in real time. To upload media to the Blackmagic Cloud, go to the Media page. Select the media you wish to upload and click on Upload to Blackmagic Cloud. Choose the appropriate folder in your cloud storage before starting the upload process. Monitor the upload status to ensure all files are transferred successfully. Once uploaded, your team can access and edit the media from their own systems. To communicate with your team, use the comments feature available in the timeline. You can add comments directly on clips to provide feedback or suggestions. Regularly check for updates and new comments from team members. Utilize the version history feature to keep track of all project changes. This ensures that you can revert to previous versions if needed. Finally, always sync your project frequently to keep everyone up to date. By following these steps, you can effectively connect Blackmagic Cloud to DaVinci Resolve for seamless collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.